how to properly apply press-on nails. And this is going to be a 9 quick step process where you can make sure that your nails last up to 2 weeks. So number 1, remove any product from the nail, such as nail polish. What you want to do is take your favorite nail polish remover or acetone and just get rid of all of the polish or any other things that still may be on your nails. Next, you want to take this wooden cuticle stick and push back any adhered skin on the nail bed. This is any non-living tissue or skin on the nail plate. And this wooden cuticle stick comes in my kit along with alcohol pads, glue, and stickies. As you can see, I specifically waited for my nails to look jacked up for this video, so this is on purpose. But as you can see all the skin that's coming off of my nails, and this is what actually I'm using the wooden stick to kind of loosen up the skin. And then for the next step, I'm going to be using the nail file actually that comes in my kit, and that is going to be used to number 3. Next, use a nail file to lightly remove any other adhered non-living skin from the nail plate. So as you can see here, I am taking the file and kind of basically filing away that skin that I loosened up earlier with the wooden stick. You're going to do this for all of the nails, and you want to make sure that this part actually takes the longest for me because you want to make sure all of the nail plate has been buffed. This is, I think, one of the most important parts of putting on press-on nails. You want to make sure that it's super buff. You see no shiny part on my nail. So do that for all of your nails. Make sure every single part of the nail has been buffed. Okay, so next we have number 4, using the same nail file away any limb from the free edge. You can also use clippers, like nail clippers if you have them. I did that as well. I didn't film it, but just showing you here that you can actually get rid of the free edge with the file that comes in my kit. So if you don't have clippers available, if you're very limited on space, then just use a nail file. So number 4, you want to take an alcohol pad. Whoa, this is going too fast. And then just wipe all that debris off your nails. So number 6, you want to use the stickies or the glue that comes in my kit. You want to put an ample amount there on the nail. That's how much I'm putting. And you can also put it on your actual nail bed as well. I do recommend that. I just did not do it for this video. You want to press the nail on the back of your nail bed, making sure it's straight. And then you want to hold and press for 30 seconds. And then please make sure you avoid water, washing your hands and all of that. 30 minutes at least. Wait 30 minutes to do that. So I'm just showing you guys again with the second nail. It's so cute, right? I love press-on nails, especially for any events or photo shoots that you may have. It's just a perfect accessorizer to add on to your look. If you get any on the side, as you saw there, I got the wooden stick and just cleaned up the side. Here's the middle finger, so cute. Look how adorable they are. And it's so easy to apply. These last me a week and a half to 2 weeks with this exact method, or longer. So number 9, lastly, you just want to apply the cuticle oil. If you have some, don't worry about it if you don't. But yeah, here are the finished nails. I was wearing these for about a week and a half until I got sick of them and took them off. Because I like to change my style up, which is why I prefer press-on nails, because I can easily take them off if I want to and put on some different ones. Here's the length I was showing you underneath, and yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions by, commenting on this video, and have a great day.